Yamato!
What's with all the fun? Is this reimagined?
This is from an anime
What?
that is set when Yamato is around.
In World War II?
Yeah. Yeah, and they've basically made it all special.
Please elaborate.
So this is from the Super Battleship series. That's the name of the ship.
Have you watched this series? Legitimate question, not me joking around about the Bandai stuff. Have you watched this?
No.
Are you going to?
I probably should.
It sounds like it's something you'd enjoy.
There's two kits in the range. There's the Yamato and the Musashi, which is pictured in the background of this.
What is this even about?
It's probably like Girls und Panzer. I haven't seen that either, but I've heard a lot about it. It could be that, but this is Bandai. Yeah. Oh no, this is Aoshima. Sorry, Aoshima.
This is blowing my mind.
Pretty cool, right? Let's have a quick look in the box.
Go on.
Yeah, let's have a quick look. So you're basically building a ship, not a figure.
Right.
This one. So you've got your hull.
Yep.
Waterline series.
Oh, nice.
Oh wait, you can do it waterline series.
Ah.
Or you can attach the hull if you like.
Yeah. Okay.
Depending how frisky.
But even then, it's going to sit flat.
Yeah.
It doesn't need a stand.
Nah. Yeah, nah. And then you got
your poop deck.
It is your poop deck. You got a clear stand in here.
Ah.
Just in case.
Well, yeah.
More poop decks.
That's cool.
Bridge, Gundam bridge.
Is this actually like one? Is this in a proper scale or is it
It'd
just
be like 700 scale, I presume. You got your big turrets up here. Multiple sprues for those.
Yes, it is. Right.
Yeah, I told you. You should listen to me more.
Only when you talk, I don't listen.
I know. We've got some various things on this one.
Yeah.
They're the turret things as well. All of your AA guns. This thing was notorious for having heaps and heaps of anti-aircraft guns. Some smaller cannons around here.
Boom.
Accessory bits to the hull, because it is a specialized kit. And, yeah. Decals.
Yeah, right.
As you saw on the box art.
Box art, it's got these squiggly lines.
Yeah.
Bit of tribal.
That's right. And you've got your radar dome up here in black.
Cool.
There you go. So, as I said, this is from some anime about Yamato
About shit.
and Musashi. The Musashi. And there's a girl that accompanies it, but she's not modeled in this kit. But it is modeled off of this fine young lady here.
Right.
That is Yamato embodied.
Okay.
That's what they imagined Yamato would look like if she was a girl.
Gotcha.
Pretty cool,
This
huh?
is different.
And that's how the ship would be built up. Pretty cool, right?
Pretty cool.
Yep.